Ajax transmitter, or the multi-transmitter, executes the wired sensor signals transmission straight into the wireless Ajax alarm system. Well, in that way, so that they become a full-featured part of the system. If you haven't yet want to or not yet planning a full transition to the wireless type. And Ajax ocBridge is a completely opposite solution. It allows to integrate the Ajax wireless detectors into a wired alarm system. And I know many people who wondered how to combine the Hikvision Intercom with the Ajax alarm in the alarm-intercom control panel style, where the control panel here is the intercom monitor itself, and it's also convenient to have all your alarm notifications in one place, isn't it? So that's what we are going to do now. My name is Daniel, you're on the People System Store channel, where we've got for you the burglar alarms and intercoms and everything you might need for a security system. And we begin.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
As a result, we get quite a nice scheme working here. Ajax sensors transmit the wireless signals to the ocBridge integration device, which converts them into wired ones whole and outputs them to the intercom to display the alarm signals with such a wires. And from there, they also go to our phone in a wireless form. Well, isn't this awesome? And here's the trick. Two Ajax sensors, passive infrared for motion, and a magnetic reed switch for the door opening, which were previously connected wirelessly and enrolled into the ocBridge device as Zone 1 and Zone 2. And here is a Hikvision IP intercom with wired alarm inputs. There they are. We took the communication from the device box and, according to this diagram here on the body back, located the ground, which is 2 in here on the right, and gave it to the ground respectively on the bridge. We've located the inputs for Zone 1, it's 3 and 4 here, and Zone 2, and well, in accordance, plugged them into the terminals on the bridge, the 1 and 2. Nothing complicated, really, but that's not all. The first obstacle on your way is to find a mini USB cable, exactly the mini USB, since the bridge can be connected only in this way in 2020. And its setup is possible only with a computer. Well, okay, we coped with the first task and then moved to the PC part. First up, we download the ocBridge configurator tool and the drivers for it. You'll find all the links in the description. So install the driver, and regarding the configurator, choose the full installation or the portable version like I did, and then run it. Now we got a mini USB to the bridge, the cable end to the computer. Where's my port? Hold up. This side. Oh yeah. Alright. And turn the bridge on. There we go, and I can hear a signal that my PC recognized as something like a new device. Okay, and we also get a color indication here. I mean, it's charging, it's online, so it's good. Now here, we need to open the device manager on a computer. Go into the device manager, and the thing we have to check first of all is the ports. So due to the installation of that driver, you'll get this ST microelectronics virtual COM port under a COM5, or it could be other, but you just have to look, see which one you got, and memorize and remember this number. So it's 5 for me. I'm closing, and here back to the Ajax configurator. I'm going into connection settings and selecting a COM5. Well, depending on what do you have, of course. Now, okay, and we'll just simply clicking connect. And there we go, we are connected since we didn't get any error message, so we're really good. And first thing we do, we add a zone, attention, okay, skipping. Zone type, alarm, of course, zone name, zone 1, okay. Now adding a second zone by analogy, zone 2, alarm, okay. And the initial state is NC, normally closed, which, well, is the standard, which is a default setting, so it's all good here. Now we go into zone number 1 and press an add device. And now we remove the back cover on the device. Let it be a motion protect first. There we go. And so there's an ID of the device here. And what we do, it's funny. There's a little trick here that you won't find in manuals. So instead of entering the device ID, we simply fill this space out here with the F letter, well, entirely. And turn and press search, and boom, switch. And we got the device with the same ID printed on here. I mean, no manual would tell you this. Okay. Okay, now also make it activity by 24-hour and press OK. Nice, the first sensor is added. Now we go into zone 2, and by analogy, hold on, let me close the lid on the back. I have to, because the tamper alarm and other stuff. Okay, pretty much done, pretty much good with this. Okay, and now creating the add device 2 again, device ID again, F. Now get into the device, opening the lid. Come on, boy, you can do this. Now pressing the search and turning it on, and there we go. Device Ajax Door Protect 20D. Same it is here. Selecting the 24-hour active again. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do, the push the button, the right. Oh, literally load all the settings right into the Ajax ocBridge, and we're done. You can close the software. We no longer need the PC. Now, as I specified earlier, repeat this scheme. Look at this diagram. Find the ground, which is I2 on the right here, and output it to the last terminal on the bridge. Then find zones 1 and 2, it's I2 and 3 here, accordingly 3 and 4, and put it in the bridge's terminal. And now the configuration on the monitor itself. So we just simply go into its settings, the third tab, press shortcut settings. Oh, it should be and right, and we are turning on the alarm. All right, now we go into zone settings, and now we're gonna turn on and set up our sensors. So first one will be the PIR detector under zone 1. So it will be a passive infrared, which is it. Now, the second is the instant alarm only. We don't need it a 24-hour. And the first position, the initial is NC, which is normally closed, which is okay, and a standard position. Okay, fine, great. Now zone number 2, and we have a magnetic door detector, the Ajax Door Protect. So, oh, hold up. No, not the gas detector. The door magnetic, instant alarm, and NC normally closed. Okay, now we need to turn the zones on for our different statuses. So first is the stay mode when you're home, turning them on, and the away mode, turning both devices on, which is great. Okay, now get back to the main screen, and we're gonna set the password for our alarm. So press here. Well, I like that icon. You can go other way, but still I like this one. All right, on this on password, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Oh, wasn't I? Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, great. Now we're able to arm the system. Pressing the password. There we go. The system is armed, and now we're going to test it. So, hello? And set alarm. There we have it. One more time, you'll be sure, right? There you go. And now it's inactive. All right, now it's inactive, and boom. Yep, just what you was asking for. Now, hold up, let that guy stop. And the second zone, so you can see zone 1, passive infrared alarm. I'm also gonna, oh, how can I forget about this? I should show you this on my phone to you too. So I go here and I got all the notifications on my phone, PIR alarm, so you can see it. And now the magnetic on the zone 2, and there we go. Zone 2, door magnetic alarm, which is instant and, well, accurate, isn't it? Let's close it back. and open again. If you update it here, open, close, detector, alarm, there we go. And the next thing we can do, go to the High Connect, we go to the monitor, and we can do it through a phone. So we go to the, oh, it wasn't stay home. Make it stay home, yeah, and we're gonna disarm. Can I disarm in here? I don't remember. I think I can, but or not. I don't remember honestly. Okay, come here. One push to disarm. 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Disarmed. Now we're home, and now if you disjunct the parts, nothing's gonna happen. And the same for the PIR. Green and inactive. Nothing is happening here, and we're pretty much done. And this is awesome, isn't it? This is a good option for those who still have a wired security system and are not planning to switch to wireless. It's also a good idea if you want to have all of your notifications in one place, including the comfort of the integration itself and in between them. Yeah. And then we can also bring the Hikvision cameras into the Ajax phone app, making it a great couple. Features and convenience, I suppose. And in our People System store, we've got for you all parts that you might need for a security system. The burglar alarms and intercoms and cameras, and managers will carry your project. And we're waiting for you. Thank you for watching.